Hi friends, hope you're doing good. Welcome. I hope you saw the last video in our channel on the new feature update on the Crossrope app called Classes, where you can jump and learn with top class jumpers. In the previous video, we had jumped with JRD. In today's video, I thought I'll share with you a small clip of a workout with another top class jumper, Phoenix Nation. Winter, who runs the channel, I have great respect for her. Fantastic fitness level, superb skill sets, great stamina, great endurance. So let's get into the video. A small clip from a workout class, jump rope class with Phoenix Nation. Come, let's go.
Hi everyone, welcome. I'm Winter. We have a 30-minute shredded abs jump rope class. I'll be using my Crossrope amp connected to the app so I can record my jumps, as I want to keep the intensity high to burn those calories. Let's light up your core with these unique exercises designed to make you a better mover. We will alternate between 24 different core and jump rope exercises for one round. 60 seconds of work with 15 seconds of rest. During the core exercises, remember to focus on executing them with good form. You want to have full extension while keeping your core engaged. Now, are you ready to get shredded? Let's go.
Up next, basic bounce for 60 seconds. Up next, rest for 15 seconds.